How to fix permission denied in git-bash in Windows 10. Whenever I tried to run this command, python git pip.py, git-bash gave me this response, bash:/c/users/Sergio. Column permission denied. I don't know how to fix this and have tried to search this up with no avail. Could anyone tell me how to fix this problem?
Try the command py instead of python # invoking the interpreter, python.org.
I got fed up with all the permission issues of Microsoft Store's Python app, so I just uninstalled it and downloaded Python straight from python.org. After that, everything was smooth sailing in git-bash.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.